Hi everyone! Today we are cutting a mullet. So we're going to start off by sectioning the hair into 7 subsections. Okay, we're going to start the cut now. Start by taking a subsection of hair down the back 2 sections in the middle of the head. And once we've got this out, we're going to start by cutting round layers all the way down to the back, making sure that we exclude that bottom hairline. Once you've finished cutting all of the back guideline, you're then going to use that guide to follow round layers throughout all of the back 2 middle subsections. Again, it's important to avoid that hairline. So in those back 2 middle sections, you're going to just complete round layers all the way through it. Now that we've done those back 2 sections, you're going to release the bottom 2 and then you're going to comb it all together. So you should already see a clear divide between your round layers and all of the length. You're then going to use a razor to connect the round layers to the length in the back. The round layers will act as your starting guide, so that will show you how short you need to be. And then you're going to blend from the round layers all the way down into the length. You want to act really gentle or use your razor quite light-handed when doing this, and make sure you actually leave a considerable amount of length there so you can really see a difference. Bring the hair together and ensure the length throughout the back is quite similar. It doesn't have to be perfect, you do want quite a shaggy look, but obviously you don't want some bits being really short and then some bits being really long, so just make sure you've kind of got a similar length all the way through there. Moving on to the top, take a small profile guide all the way through that top section. And then you're going to use a tiny bit of hair from the back and follow the round layers forward. So you're going to do this all the way to the front, so right to the front hairline. Once you finish that, split the profile guide into two, and then throughout that whole top section, you're going to complete round layers. Then we should only have two sections left, the bottom two sections around the front of the head. So you're going to remove the hairline again, going in a diagonal back section. This is going to help preserve some of the length again. And then you'll be left with tiny little triangles of hair. So all you're going to do with these little triangles is from the top, just follow the round layers down into the triangles. Again, make sure you avoid the bottom hairline. So once that's done, release the hairline and blend out the length once again using your razor. Right round the front, I wanted to create a real nice shortcut and then have just length right round the back. Some people like to leave it longer and a bit wispier around that front hairline when doing these type of things. But with this particular one, I'm going to take it shorter. So I will take half of that bottom hairline and I'm just going to follow those round layers all the way down through it instead of leaving the longer bits at the bottom. But that's your choice on whether you want to leave it longer on the bottom and a bit more shaggy, or whether you want a clear divide from a shortcut in front and long in the back. So comb everything forward and use your razor to cut in a rounded fringe and blend the hairline out into the back longer lengths. And then pretty much you're done. So we're going to blow dry everything forward except for the very back lengths. Blow dry everything forward except for the back. and then style as desired. So I used a little bit of hair putty just to create a little bit of texture, and I finger dried everything into shape. Here's the final finish. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a comment about what you would like to see me do next, and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!